The India International Science Festival 2024 is on at IIT Guwahati in Assam from November 30th to December 3rd. The festival aims to steer India into a science and tech-led manufacturing hub. DD India's Amit Mukherjee caught up with the Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Dr. N. Kalai Selvi, on the sidelines of the festival. Listen in.
We are at the India International Science Festival 2024 and I have with me Dr. N. Kalai Selvi, Director General CSIR. Ma'am, thanks for being with us. The first question I would like to ask you that there has been a lot of emphasis on youth engagement and also on innovation. So how do you see CSR leveraging this platform to achieve the goals?
Namaskar everyone. So this is Kalai Selvi from CSIR. This India International Science Festival, this is the 10th edition and CSIR has been given the greatest opportunity of convening it, celebrating it in the northeastern part of this country, which is the gateway of northeast, the place called Guwahati, and we are really excited to conduct this event for 4 days starting from yesterday up to 3rd December. And in this particular celebration, so who will be celebrating any festival with more than enough excitement and energy is nothing but children, students, youngsters, the next generation leaders. So we have thoughtfully made number of events exclusively for students.
Right. Ma'am, Pradhan Mantri ji has been talking a lot about innovation. So how do you want to engage the youth and bring them towards innovation?
Actually, just now I was telling, for the sake of innovation, I said, just go and see what your mother is doing, how she is managing within the 4 walls of the house. She is the innovator, and I said kitchen is a place wherein a lot of innovation is happening.
Right.
Similarly, when you just take the whole country and especially the scientific labs, nowadays the government of India is pushing innovation, science and technology, I would say in an unassuming manner, because the support that is being given to startups, MSMEs, entrepreneurs, mid-scale industries is unassuming and unconditional in many cases.
Right.
Therefore, by taking science from labs like us,
Right.
they can get all the other ecosystem support as well as funding support
Right.
from different schemes of the government of India, and therefore now innovation is reaching its height, I would say, especially in the current scenario.
Ma'am, another thing, that this is the first time that this kind of a festival, the science festival, is happening in Northeast. So how do you see that what is the contribution and how do you think a state like Northeast would benefit from this?
I love this question. Actually, when we were just scouting for place, when we were just dreaming, we thought that Northeast should be taken for a number of reasons. Number one, Guwahati we chose because this is the gateway of Northeast.
Right.
And we have chosen IIT because this academia is known for its excellence and capability.
Right.
Third one is Northeast is so far known for only 2 reasons. Its richness in culture, richness in biodiversity.
Right.
We are giving the third important vertical and the third important identity. We want to give Guwahati and Northeast a new identity, that science and technology of India and indigenous technologies